on the breeze. Oh, the funfair bright and loud, children laughing in a crowd, rides and booths in every shoe, magic moments waiting too. Cotton candy soft and pink gave her cheeks a sugary wink. Sticky paws and giggles flew as the joy inside her grew. Round she went on painted horse, carousel with cheerful force, spinning dreams and windy hair. She forgot all worldly care. Step right up, the vendor cried. Mimi tossed the rings all tied. Want a fish, all blue and small, clapped her paws and danced with all. Balloons rising in the sky, Mimi twirled her spirits high. Music played, her paws went wild, dancing like a carefree child. Clown and colors tripped and rolled, juggled pies and tumbled bowl. Mimi laughed till she could cry, tears of joy beneath the sky. Teacup twirling left and right, lights above a golden night. She spun round in dizzy cheer, held her hat and gave a cheer. Fireworks bloomed across the air, stars and sparkles everywhere. On a bench she paused to see how sweet a day of life could be. Back at home with toy and smile, she had walked a joyful mile. Mimi sighed with heart so free, sometimes fun is all you need.